Hi guys! Today in this video I'm going to share with you my passion. I know you already know that I love Tantra, I teach Tantra, I help people, I coach people in every area of their life. It's just relationship, mind, sexuality, money, health, spirituality. It's everything connecting together anyway. But it's not only it. I also love, like literally love sweets. I can't live without sweets. It's out. It's out. I am admitting I am sweet addict. I love it. I can't be without it. And the more Swadhisthanic sweets, the better. What does it mean for you if you are not familiar with Swadhisthana chakra and so on? It's like the more creamy, more sweety, this that is the Swadhisthanic food. So the more Swadhisthanic, the more creamy, the sweet and the caramel topping or chocolate topping on the top. I love it. I really do. Can you relate to that? Are you that person too? Or are you more like a meat person and sweets like, no, sweets no. Well, for you who are sweet addicts, sweet lovers as I am, today I would like to share with you one of my favorite recipes. And this sweet is actually kind of healthy sweet. We will use only 2 ingredients. And I can tell you the result is awesome. Of course, you can put more, and maybe you already know this recipe. And if you do, just let me know in the comments your variation or how you like it. So basically, what we need is dates and coconut. Of course, you can put more. You can put, with the dates, you can put raisins, for example. And with the coconut or without coconut, you can put the nuts or the mixture of nuts. If you have it, I'm sure you do. So you cut it or make it smaller. You can put it inside, around it. And in the end, what is the best? What is the best is to cover it in chocolate. That's the best. So, but now we are in the healthy variation today, and it's very amazing itself. So we have the dates, and we put them into the water. Yeah, for some time. But be careful. It shouldn't be too long, because if it's too long, the sweetness of the raisins will go into the water. So now when we will blend it, it will be like without taste. So you check it. I would say this is good. So it starts to be like this, kind of. Yeah, you see, it started like changing the colors a little bit. So that is the right time. And now we will blend it. I hope it's the right word. Blend it. I'll put coconut into it, make a paste, and then I will cover it again in the coconut. And before, of course, we will blend it, we will take the water out. Yeah, so we have only the dates or the mixture with raisins if you put it there. Alright, so the dates, or if you put the raisins, the mixture is now blended like this. And now what we will do is just, you can put the coconut or the nuts, the mixture of nuts on for small pieces, and you mix it together. And that's basically it. You make some small put in here, balls, and cover it again in the coconut or in the nuts. Yeah, it's totally up to you. What is your taste? Then we put it into the fridge. I really highly recommend to let it, like for some time, like hour or two or so, even better overnight, and eat it next day or after some time, after some resting, because then it tastes amazing. And I did the version with the nuts and in the chocolate, covering in the chocolate. And I put it, I gave it to my brother, and he was like, what's that? And I was like, you tell me. And he said, it tastes like kind of the marzipan kind of thing. So, and I told him, it's dates. It's just dates, raisins, and nuts in a chocolate. So it really is tasty. It's amazing. And I really recommend you to try it. I even gave it to a meat lover, and he ate the whole plate. He loved it so much. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Just those two ingredients. Okay, if you count the water, then it's 3. And yeah, like this. You make the bowl. Yeah, it's a little bit like dirty work. Cover it in coconut. And it is it. It's even ready to eat if you want. But I really do highly recommend put it into the fridge and let it, kind of settle or, rest, and then eat it. Mwah, amazing. So if you try it, I really do try it. Let me know in the comments. Also, if you know this recipe already, let me know how you like it or how you make these kind of sweets. And if you are more interested also in the Pakistani sweets, which I love the most, then let me know in the comments. I will share with you, because in my country we have amazing sweets. And it's pity in some countries, the sweets are not that tasty, or it might be, but when I was traveling, nothing was that amazing as our vjetrník or špička or smetanové želé, or just those kind of things. So let me know. I'll be happy to share with you whatever. If you are, or maybe you have a bakery, so I can share you a recipe and you can bring new clients. Yeah, so let me know. I will be very happy to do that. I will do it probably anyway, but let me know. I want to know if you're interested in that. And mwah, enjoy.